send me a message. And I can literally check it out. I have a computer. And you say you work from home, right? And you have good salary and everything? I don't know. I'm just glad that we didn't end up in the streets, to be honest, because it was crazy back then. And now that I think about it, I'm so glad my mom just, you know, she wanted better for us. And now that I'm a mom, I totally understand her. Oh my God, this smells so good. This is actually the first time I ever talk about like my sisters and my family, my parents, which I'm about to go see them. I'm excited. Thank you, love. All over the USA. And then my husband is like the complete opposite from me. Like he has two brothers that he doesn't talk to. He has a sister that he hasn't like seen in a long time. I don't know, like it's so different. It's very different from me. But I'm just glad, you know, that that I met him and I get to give him a family and yeah. And you know what? Sometimes I feel like sometimes I feel like he gets sad during the holidays. But no, he's not Mexican. He's white. He's from Kentucky. I feel like he never tells me anything. But I just feel like sometimes during the holidays, he doesn't shut himself down completely, but he just stays like quiet, like he doesn't say much. But I feel like it gets to him, you know what I mean? Because he doesn't talk to his mom. Like his mom didn't want him when he was a baby. So it was rough for him. So when he sees me, And then, you know, everything that's happening with my family and how we are. Because I am very close to my family. Like my sisters, my dad, my mom. Like if I could take my mom to eat every day, like, you know what I mean? I would take my mom. I'm that type of person. I would take my mom in a heartbeat. But, and that's something, you know, that's totally different from my husband. And he sees all that, and I try my best to make him feel part of it. Yeah, it's sad. Oh my god, this smells so good. Family is a battle. Either you grow up in a great family or in a bad one. Mine was bad. I stay away from. See, and me, like, I could never do that. If I could call my mom every day and ask her how her day was, I will call her every day and ask her how her day was. I can text my sisters, like, we're close. We're close in, like, family. I can't stay away from my family either. Yeah, I don't know. It's just, it's different. So I feel for my husband sometimes too, especially during the holidays. Even if we don't get along. I get along with all my sisters, which is the good thing. And I have never, in the history of me, have ever disrespected one of my sisters, ever, like. And if we did, my mom would whoop our ass if we did. If we would hit one of our siblings or some shit, ooh. All the shit that my daughters do, I could never get, like, we could never get a chance. We will get our ass whooped. And and the life that my daughters have is so easy compared to the one that we had. Okay, my parents were fucking strict. One thing that I mostly, this is the thing that I will never forget as a child. Oh, and it still gets to me. Is that when we would sit down to eat, because I've never been big. I've never been a big person. Like, I am 136 right now. That's how much I weigh. But I remember that I never wanted to finish my food. And if I didn't want to finish my food, my dad would be... Yes, I have one medium bag for $7 that it's Roma. I have Ariel powder. I have $3 bags of Thai powder. I have a bag of 1-2-3 powder for $4. And I have Foca powder for $5. Girl, you're in a bubble bath? You're squeezing in your bubble bath? Girl, what? So Ben squeezing and making... I don't have Comet or Ajax. This is only laundry. Oh my, I've never done that before. But yeah, like that's my life right there. Growing up and... Anyway, why are we talking about my life again? I feel like I just got into it, huh? I just needed to chat. Are we done adding? Hey, Misha. The color is so beautiful, right? This is only laundry, okay? I only have laundry powder available. Oh, it was the Mr. Clean. So far, the Mr. Clean overload that I did. Oh my fucking god, that shit was bomb. The last overload that I did, the Mr. Clean, that was so amazing. Like, that's probably one of the best overloads I've done in such a long time. Or maybe that's probably one of the best overloads I've done. That shit smells so good. I saved all of it. I saved all the overload that we did that day in bottles. Every single drop I saved. It was so amazing. And it smells so good. The past two and colors. Right? The salvo overload looked like the teal color, so beautiful. Look. So beautiful. So beautiful. No, I'm not sick. I did a toxic mix like a week ago, and what are you doing in the hallway?
I think I'm gonna grab something.
And it really got to me. I feel like it was so toxic that my chest started hurting. And now, ever since, I've been coughing, which I'm gonna go to the doctor soon. What was it? It was a bleach reaction, and then I fucking added Lysol liquid. I added Lysol, bleach reaction. I also added, it was Lysol, Pine Sol, I don't know. I forgot what I added, but it was pretty strong. It was so strong